Hi everyone, it's Marco Brown. You're about to get divorced and your wife has asked you to leave the house. Should you leave? Now, there are two situations that we need to deal with in very, very different ways. Let's imagine situation number one is you don't have any kids. If you don't have any kids, it's probably just fine to move out of the house. Make sure the mortgage gets paid, make sure the utilities still get paid, that you don't go into foreclosure. But if you want to move out, that's okay. You're not abandoning the house. You're not going to lose that on equity in the house. You're going to be just fine. So if you don't have kids and you want to move out, great, you can move out. Now, situation number two is you do have children. This is a totally different discussion than situation number one. If you are a dad and you want anything like 50-50 custody with your children, my general rule and what I tell men is you do not leave the house. Your wife can ask you 1,000 times every day of the week. You do not leave the house. Go live in the basement, go live on the couch, do whatever, but do not leave that house if you want 50-50 or anything like 50-50. And the reason for this is you're going to move out and then you're going to live in a place that's either too small or your wife is going to find some problem with it and she's not going to give you 50-50 custody when you move out. And then you'll be 1, 2, 3, 4 months later, you haven't exercised 50-50 custody, you haven't really seen your kids that often, and then you get divorced and she's going to say, well, he's not around the kids, so why should he get 50-50 custody? I see this all the time. So stay in that house. You can move out after you've filed for divorce if you talk with your divorce attorney and you think that's okay, but do not move out of that house before you file for divorce. Hope that helps. If you need help with your divorce, give us a call. It's 801-685-9999 or visit us on the web, www.utdivorceattorney.com. Thanks everyone.